Outsourcing repetitive tasks is one of the fastest ways to scale your online arbitrage business in 2026. Instead of spending your time on routine work, you can delegate those tasks to virtual assistants or automation tools, freeing yourself to focus on strategy, growth, and decision-making. The goal is to build systems that run smoothly with minimal supervision. The first step is identifying what to outsource. Look at your daily workflow and highlight the tasks that are time-consuming but don't require your personal expertise. Common examples include product research, data entry, listing uploads, inventory tracking, and customer service responses. These are all perfect candidates for outsourcing. Once you've identified the tasks, decide whether to delegate to people or automate with software. Many sellers use a mix of both. Virtual assistants, VAs, are ideal for tasks that require judgment or communication, while automation tools handle structured, rule-based work. When hiring VAs, platforms like OnlineJobs, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to start. Look for candidates with experience in Amazon FBA or eCommerce. During interviews, test their understanding of product research, Excel or Google Sheets proficiency, and communication skills. Provide them with test tasks to gauge accuracy and efficiency before making a long-term commitment. Documentation is the key to success. Create standard operating procedures, or SOPs, for every task you delegate. Record step-by-step video tutorials using tools like Loom, and write clear instructions for each process. The clearer your SOPs, the fewer mistakes your team will make. Once trained, your VAs should be able to complete tasks independently with minimal questions. Next, set up collaboration systems. Use project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion to assign and track tasks. Pair these with communication platforms like Slack or Discord to maintain real-time coordination. Automation tools like Zapier or Make can connect your apps and automatically move data between them. For example, sending new sourcing results from Tactical Arbitrage directly into your VA's task board. Monitoring performance is just as important as delegation. Set measurable KPIs such as the number of products researched per day, accuracy rate, or time spent per listing. Use shared dashboards to track progress and hold weekly check-ins to review results and identify improvements. AI now makes outsourcing even more efficient. You can combine ChatGPT or similar assistants with your VAs to summarize data, create reports, and handle repetitive communication tasks. This hybrid model, human plus AI, delivers accuracy and speed that neither could achieve alone. As your business grows, consider building a tiered structure for your team. Have senior VAs manage junior ones and create systems for training new hires quickly. This keeps your operation scalable without constant micromanagement. Finally, remember that outsourcing isn't about giving away control. It's about multiplying your time. By delegating repetitive tasks to capable people and smart systems, you create a business that runs efficiently while you focus on scaling profits, exploring new markets, and refining strategy. In 2026, the most successful online arbitrage entrepreneurs are those who master delegation. They don't just work harder, they work smarter, building teams and systems that turn repetition into automation and effort into growth.